Good morning. These are the three models which we have obtained for the modernization of laboratory. The first model is of kidney with the adrenal gland, the second model is of heart, and the third model is of brain. Let me start with the first model, that is about kidney and the adrenal gland. Let's open it up. This is to show the internal structure. As you are able to see that the pelvis, calyces, medullary pyramids as well as the renal tubules, everything is quite visible here with the adrenal gland which is located at the top of the kidney. So all these structures can be explained to the students very properly with the help of this model. This is very relatable to class 11th as well as to the junior classes. Now let me come to the second model. The second model is of heart. In heart, as you are able to see, all the structures, they are a label of number, that is 1, 5, 7 and so on. All this is mentioned at the bottom with the name itself of the part. And now finally let me open it up. These are the atriums and we can see that they can be removable in the model. Now let me open it up. These are the structures. Chorda tendineae are quite visible, and let me tell you about the structures which are easily visible in this model. First one is right atrium, second one is left atrium, third is right ventricle, fourth one is left ventricle, fifth one is superior vena cava, sixth one is inferior vena cava, then seventh is aorta, 8th pulmonary arteries, 9th pulmonary vein and 10th pulmonary valves. Then 11th is mitral valve, 12th is tricuspid valve and 13th is the aortic valve. So all these are in the model itself and they have a number against them, and this is very relatable in the classes senior as well as junior classes. Now let me start with the third model, that is of human brain. As this model is also very important and it is also detachable, all parts can be detached. From the upper side we are able to see that this is cerebrum and these two parts can also be separated. This is to show the cerebral hemisphere to the students, and then we can say that these two parts are attached with the help of corpus callosum. Now the other parts are mentioned here. This is the hindbrain and this is cerebellum, the part of hindbrain, and all the parts are mentioned and we can easily explain this in the class. So we can say that, for example, that this is pons feroli which regulates breathing, as well as the cerebellum which controls the body posture and body balance, and the most important one, that is the cerebrum, which involve in thinking. It controls the emotions as well as taking decision. All these things are easily can be done with the help of the cerebrum. So with the help of this model, because it is quite detachable and we can assemble it again, the students will get the knowledge very properly, very precisely, and it is a hand-on activity itself. Thank you so much.